If you want to connect Origin with GOG Galaxy, this video will walk you through the whole process step by step. By the end, you'll know how to link your EA account, sync your supported Origin games, and see everything inside your GOG library. This is a really useful setup if you like keeping your game collection organized in one place, and it only takes a few minutes. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open GOG Galaxy on your computer. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in with your GOG.com account. This is important because your integrations are tied to your GOG profile and you'll need to be signed in before you can connect any other gaming services. Once you're inside GOG Galaxy, take a look at the top area of the app and find the gear icon. That gear icon opens your settings, and that's where all the account connections and integrations are managed. Click the gear icon to open Settings. From the menu, look for Add Games and Friends, and then choose Connect Gaming Accounts. This section is designed specifically for linking platforms like EA, Steam, Ubisoft, and other supported services. When you open it, GOG Galaxy will show you a list of available integrations. Now scroll through or search until you find Origin. Depending on your setup, this may appear as Origin or an EA connection option, since Origin accounts are now handled through EA login in many cases. Once you find Origin, click Connect. At this point, a login window from EA will open. This is completely normal, and it means GOG is asking for permission to access your EA account so it can sync your library data. In the EA login window, enter the email and password for your EA account. Double check that you're signing into the correct account, especially if you have more than one EA profile or multiple game libraries. After entering your credentials, click Sign In. Next, EA may show you a permissions screen. This is where you allow GOG Galaxy to connect and read the supported game information from your account. Review the permissions carefully and then click Allow or Continue to complete the connection. Once you approve the access, GOG Galaxy will begin syncing your account automatically. Now give it a little time to finish. The sync process may take a few moments depending on how many games you own and how fast your connection is. You may see a loading indicator while GOG Galaxy pulls in your supported Origin games. Don't close the app while this is happening and try to let the sync complete before moving on. When the sync is done, go to your library inside GOG Galaxy. You should now see your supported Origin games appear there alongside your other connected titles. Keep in mind that not every game may show up because availability depends on whether the game is supported by the integration. But for compatible titles, this is the easiest way to keep everything in one place and launch from a single library. And that's how you connect Origin with GOG Galaxy. It's a simple setup, but it makes a big difference if you want cleaner game management and a more unified library. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.